Introduction of main machine panel. Front panel from the left to right are electrode gun reversible knob, speed button, voltage button, energy output percentage button, working frequency display button. The lower buttons are power switch, working switch button, bond strap terminal, electrode gun connector, back panel argon gas conduit main machine connector, fan, 220 volts power outlet. Connect the argon gas. Connect argon gas meter to argon gas cylinder. Tighten the connector with adjustable wrench. When connecting the gas conduit, please push the conduit inside until hearing the clamping voice of connector and interface. Please pull out of the conduit head and try again if it couldn't be installed correctly. Install electrode gun. First, confirm gap direction. Insert and tighten. Never insert compulsively to avoid damage. Install bond strap. Clamp the other end of bond strap on the workpiece. Never change bond strap without authorization. Large parameter changes may affect the machine. Install the welding wire. Unscrew the electrode gun front cap and loosen the clip. Insert welding wire and tighten with small key. Confirm that welding wire is in the middle of the clip, no eccentric. Rotate the front cap. How to extend the welding wire after use. Turn off working switch and unscrew welding gun cap. Separate welding clip with small key. Press the welding wire with small key and extend necessary lengths. Tighten the clip and screw welding gun cap. Operation demo. Open power switch. Check whether all parameters display normally. Press work switch and the electrode gun rotates. Adjust argon gas flow rate. Open argon gas valve to adjust the flow rate. Larger resistance material requires lower energy in case of welding repair, such as black metal material. Smaller resistance material requires higher electric quantity in case of welding repair, such as copper and aluminum material. Repair example demo. Take an example of iron casting defect with diameter of 12 mm and depth of 5 mm for repair. During repair process, welding gun angle is 45 degrees. The repaired workpiece surface has no temperature. Grind after the repair.